Ever dreamed of starting your own renovation and construction business in the USA? Research your market. Find what homeowners and businesses need most: remodeling, additions, or kitchen and bathroom makeovers. Register your business. Choose a structure like LLC or corporation and make it official. Get all necessary licenses and permits. Don't forget insurance and bonding to protect yourself and your clients. Set up your finances and create a solid business plan. Know your numbers and plan for growth. Market your services. Build a website, use social media, and get listed on platforms where clients can find you. Build a skilled team. Hire contractors, electricians, plumbers. The right people make your business stronger. Deliver quality work. Your reputation is your biggest asset. Happy clients bring referrals. Follow these steps and start building your dream renovation and construction business today. And here's the best part. Consult Zaha is your one-stop solution for all these steps and will help you relocate to the USA with an E2 visa. DM or WhatsApp Consult Zaha today.